Okay, a very important video, this course of the series on this channel that is on Udemy platform. How to find most demanding topic for the course. This is Asif Nadeem, district professional technologist and CEO WS Engineering Services. And we are here. I am here as a Udemy instructor with my experience, with my expertise on Udemy for last 1 year. You can subscribe this channel and follow my Facebook page also. You can also have a lot most courses on the Udemy platform. You can check there so that you can also start your professional career as an online teacher and start a very handsome income from the Udemy platform. It is the largest platform online teaching and online learning platform. So very safe and very authenticated from my point of view. So let's start this class. How to find most demanding topic for the course. It is a basic, you can say, tool to earn money in the shortest time. Just like another YouTube and Facebook platforms, you have to work smart rather than work hard. Same like there, you have to find the topic which is profitable, which is in high demand and very less populated, less saturated, and you have to find it very the way. So you have which is basic tool how you can successful on the Udemy. So let's start this class. Finding the hot topic is the most crucial part of the course planning phase. In the previous, we have discussed a lot about the how to become instructor, how to upload the course. Now we have to just focus on this point, that how we can find the most demanding course, and once you have uploaded the course, how you can promote it, how you can generate the income in the shortest possible time. One must consider 3 factors in mind while selecting the suitable topic. What's the 3? Let's have a glance. First, your expertise in the topic you want to make the course. What you have if you have select the topic, what you have the expertise, or what your expertise, based upon that you select the topic. It's up to you. Then the demand of the particular topic on that Udemy website, because you have to there are different scenario, different demand, different type of people on every platform. On the YouTube there is a different mindset of the people are there. I am talking the viewers also only, because the YouTube or Facebook, the majority of the audience is entertainment based. They are come to entertain themselves, not to the boring lecture, just like dry lecture. So there is also Udemy or other learning platform. There is a professional type learner there. They can pay you to buy the course. Whereas the YouTube, there is a free stuff is available. So you have to choose by a particular. You have to consider the demand on that particular topic of the platform also. The minimum and maximum and average monthly income being generated on the Udemy on that topic. It's also a tool we will discuss in the further slides. From that tool you can also evaluate that minimum, maximum, average monthly income may be provided from that particular topic. You can get from not suddenly, not at a sudden, but with the passage of time. Next, Marketplace Insights is a tool within the Udemy. Once you have become instructor, you can approach this tool. It is a tool available on the Udemy website under the tab of resources in the instructor profile. On the only instructor, not on the student profile. Following figures you can get from the here by typing your intended topic. Actually, you can topic you can type the category. We have discussed in detail in the class of the category in this playlist. When you type the category or subcategory, you can get the detail about that topic. Under this category, you can make the course. These are insights you can get from that tool. Students demand high or low. From that particular topic, that student demand is high or low. It means it depends upon the search results, what people search on Udemy. Basically, this is the result of that. Courses available. It is the ideal situation for any instructor that he has a topic, and when they enter the topic, for that topic there is a high demand and less courses available. It's a ideal situation. And then median monthly revenue, where the minimum monthly revenue and the top monthly revenue. It is also a very you have to put lots of struggle, lot of time, efforts to make a course and upload it on the Udemy, and you have not meager income. It is not fruitful for you. You just you also focus on that particular point also, top monthly revenue. Yes, you cannot reach to that top level suddenly in the 1 month, 2 month. Maybe you have to take the years, but there are some potential also. Search volume also can you consider from there, and top searched keywords and other related topics also from that particular market insights. Then it's just a guide. It's also just a guide to select your topic. You can also track the trend topics of by the other platforms like Google, YouTube, Keyword Planner also, because if you have a topic and that topic you search that Udemy, and there's no course on the Udemy, and when you type on the marketplace inside that you have not any proper results also about there, then it is not necessary you can upload the course and see the results. Yes, you can not prepare the full course. You can upload the just 1 hour or less. Minimum requirement of the Udemy is, and see the result, and then you can update the accordingly. It is a very flexible approach here is Udemy. Next, even if you have a trending topic and there is not any track record regarding that particular topic on Udemy, still you can make a comprehensive course on that new topic and upload it by fulfilling the all requisite details I have explained. Promote it on your after uploading the course. You can what you can do, promote it on your social media links and website. By this positive results can be achieved. Udemy also promotes such comprehensive courses based on the trending topics. It is also a point. Exploring other platforms. Udemy is one of the 1,000 platforms available online digital world. People come on Udemy, also visit other middle platforms. Udacity, the competitor also we will discuss in detail for the class about the competitors of the Udemy. There are other competitors also. While exploring hot, trending, and most demanding topics, following forums may be explored: Google Keyword Planner, YouTube top searches, Google Trends, competitor websites. You can also search there if there are demand of that courses, and these courses are not available on the Udemy. You can upload, very open. Competitors of Udemy. LinkedIn Learning, so plural site skills, Udacity, Skillsoft, Coursera, CBD Nuggets, Orally, and Clouds Guru, all are the competitors of the Udemy. Some platforms offer the curriculum-based courses, study plans with the association of top-ranked university of the world. This is like Skillshare or Coursera. All the websites offer the curriculum-based study programs specific to that. Hence, the Udemy is considered as most feasible option both for students and instructors as far as flexible and affordability. These are all independently instructor can also upload a specific curriculum with the topic of that particular curriculum also, not bounding on the Udemy, but we are free. It's up to you. So it's all about this class, very important class, how to find the most demanding topic for the course. Stay blessed. Up to next class. Thank you very much.